Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Get that swoop for the ears there. Now make a muzzle. I do have it going 2.5 times the speed, and I'm voicing over here. Just that nice shape of the body, and then just correcting to make sure everything looks right. I don't worry about all those excess lines as I find my way. If they really do get in the way of me finding my way, then I will use my eraser. But they just end up fading away into background tone in the end. Now we'll shape that muzzle a little better. Get some lines in there so I know where to plop the eyeballs in. Can't really see that paw in the photo much, so I'm just kind of guessing what it would look like. So now we'll start getting some thickening and darkening up some of those lines that I want to keep as the main lines. And for big round eyes like this, I usually do big circles to start with because I want that wide-eyed look. The kitten looks a little scared, creeping along, not sure of what lays ahead. Always turn your paper if it makes you more comfortable. You'll do better if you're more comfortable. The eyes always bring the kitty to life a little. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or what you want to learn about drawing cats. Don't be shy. Tell me where you live in the world, whatever. I just love to hear from you. And I do my best to answer the comments. Just suggestions of toes. Just aiming for the simplified look. Less is more. Kind of felt like I had to make the head a bit narrower there, and I think it's better now. Way too much lines in the eyes or in the ears. Just a suggestion of fur. I want to keep with the simple look. I have sped up to 4 times the speed now. Now, wasn't really happy with the expression I got on this kitten's face. I'm kind of messing around with it now, but you'll see me totally change it at the end. It's easy to overmuck at this stage. Some suggestion of tabby marks in there. And what I did is I really noticed that I didn't like the looks after I finished recording, so I polished it up and then just added a picture at the end of what I ended up making the kitty look like. Because kitty shouldn't be a smiley kitty in this case. It should be kind of a scared, creepy look. Yeah, I like this better. This was my end result. Kitty looks uncertain. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.